Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install only Warzone for Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on Steam, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to Steam on your desktop, right click on it and hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can head over to library. Under library you can either look for or you can just go to store, you can look for Call of Duty, doesn't really matter. But basically on Call of Duty, once you install it, once you install the 80 gigabytes, this basically includes both the base game and Warzone included, which does add up to about 80 gigabytes. And once you basically install it, Warzone should automatically be installed. But if it's not, all you have to do is once the game opens up, you'll be prompted to either go into multiplayer zombies, even though you haven't like purchased it, and you'll also have the option to go to Warzone. Once you click on Warzone, it will automatically let you download Warzone, and then you can just choose the Warzone install file, and then once that is installed, you will be able to play Warzone. And yeah, that is it. It's very simple, and yeah, so that is it for the video. That is how to install only Warzone, for Black Ops 6 on Steam. Unless that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.